Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can scan your PC for viruses. So for this one, we are going to use Microsoft's free antivirus called Microsoft Defender. So to start, you can go ahead and open up a file that you want to scan. So for example, I want to scan this folder. So what I can do is click on the folder once and then right click and click on Scan with Microsoft Defender. So this is going to scan the folder, and depending on the size of the folder, it is going to take some time. So after the scan, it will report if there are some threats found. So here in my case, it says threats found. So it is going to also give you the details of the threat. Now what you can do is click on Start Action, and it is going to take away that virus or that threat from your PC. All right, so this is called a custom scan because we are scanning a specific folder. Now, if you want to do a full scan, what you can do is click on your Microsoft Start menu and go to Settings. And from here, go to Updates and Security. And then go to Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. So here you can go to Scan Options, and you will have different options for your scan. So you have a quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and Microsoft Defender offline scan. So for a full scan, you can select the full scan, and then you can click on Scan Now. So this is going to scan your entire system for threats and viruses. All right, so after the scan, if there are some threats found, you can just click on Start Action, and it is going to take care of that threat or virus in your system. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.